dog.
Yeah, you gave us, pasabi mo, 135. Yung $200 lang pala eh. Maybe
Fine,
that's,
it's $135. I meant like it's $100 dog.
I think that's a half.
That's a purebred Australian
Panda.
Shepherd.
That's Australian Shepherd and Wolf.
Panda.
A wolf?
Why is he gray? Grace? Pumunta lang sa likod ng bahay yung aso nila ko may wolf dun eh.
Kevin, come here, plug this in.
Yung itong bahay, guguloy ng
Kevin, plug
dalawang
this in.
Plug in.
Kevin doesn't want to plug it in.
Okay, can't reach it.
Do it.
You can't reach it.
Ang harap na talong.
Nako!
Hey, 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 hey.
Nako! Hirap na
What
hirap
is
na
this?
yung aso mo, oh. You're hurting. Nako, they're hurting each other now.
Stop them now.
No! Stop it!
Come on, Panda. Oh.
Nagagalit na yung aso mo.
Oh.
Tapos ang tutulis naman ng ngipin. Your dog has long teeth.
Oh, look at
Panda has only 4 teeth.
Yeah, like Kiva. This.
Naalala ka dyan, wolf yung aso namin. That's half
Your dog is
shepherd.
not a wolf.
Half shepherd, half wolf. How can see? Look at the color. See? We are taming a wolf here, you know.
Great, good car.
Ay, pinatay na yung aso mo. Ay, stop it, ah.
No. Hey. Hey, guys, stop it.
Nagagalit na yung aso mo, Ryan, eh. Kung tutulis ng ngipin ni Buchang, it bit you and the teeth was really sharp.
Pretty sure this is not man.
This is your stack, the one with the techno music and everything. Where's your stack?
Ang bunutan. Panda's already pulling the hair of Buchang. No! That's too much. Stop it.
Have you watched the Laker game, Pa?
I didn't watch.
It's
I was
like
getting a headache.
That's
When
really
Dallas
bad.
on the Lakers.
That's really bad.
Uli, tama na. Kawawa na.
Anong ginagawa? Kinukuhanan ko lang naman sila.
Ay, stop it. Tama na, kawawa na si ano. Ayun.
Panda, wow.
No, don't play yet.
Bocha, you lost.
Tama na. Alukin mo na ng pagkain.
Come in.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Panda, no. Tags na panda to.
Panda, no.
Panda. Mahirap hiwalayin yan.
Stop it. That's enough.
Hey, stop it.
That's enough.
No more shooting.